Okay, let's prep for the interview. Michael Michaud for City Council, Ward 3, take 1. Can you adjust the lighting and give me a couple of chairs, please? So, Mr. Michaud, let me give you an opportunity to introduce yourself.
Yes, my name is Michael Shu Michaud. I am married to my lovely wife Lena. Together we have 4 great children and 3 adorable grandchildren. I have lived in the city of Augusta for 50 years, and I also have been a resident of Ward 3 for the past 20 years.
You definitely have some history in our city. Mike, what are your goals if elected?
Well, my goal first and foremost would be to look what is in the best interest of Ward 3 for our city. I would love to look at some of the neighborhoods in Ward 3, see what we can do as a community to help those neighborhoods be the best that they can be. Also, there will be a new school built in the next several years, as Huzzy School is on the short list. We want to make sure that when that school is up to be rebuilt, it's built in the best location it can be, or potentially look at school consolidation and downsize the amount of schools in the city. As well as the council will be looking at a new police station in the next several months. I want to make sure that when the location is picked, it is the absolute best location for the police department to operate, as well as the best location for our community and its citizens.
That sounds promising. Mike, what qualifications do you have that would make you an effective city councilor?
Well, I was elected to the school board last year, and I have served on the school board for the last year. It's really given me a lot of experience and knowledge on the inner runnings of the school department, which is 50% of the annual city budget. I have served as an exalted ruler at the Augusta Elks Lodge. While serving there, my wife and I started a back-to-school program that has grown into the Greater Augusta back-to-school program that this year served almost 500 students with backpacks and all the tools and clothing necessary to start the school year. Also, I have raised thousands of dollars for the Maine Children's Cancer Program, as well as many local and state veterans programs.
Quite an amazing accolade of services you've provided. What influenced you to decide to run for city council?
Well, over the last several years, I've gained a passion for my community. I've really strived to give back to my community. I enjoy Augusta. I want to see it be the best city it can be. A year ago, I ran for school board in Ward 3 and was elected. I have served on the school board for the last year and really enjoyed it. I've gotten a great education on the runnings of the Augusta School Department, how important that piece is to the city and to its residents, and most importantly, our children, who are our future. I feel I have a passion and an ambition to make Ward 3 and the city of Augusta the absolute best it can be.
Thank you, Michael, for joining us today. It was very informative. Perhaps you can give us a closing word.
Thank you very much. Hope to see all of you at the Augusta Civic Center on Tuesday, November 5th. I ask you to come and vote for Mike Michaud for City Council. Thank you very much and have a great day.